Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Target SBI. Target SBI is just my YouTube channel name, but we are targeting all the bank exams. First, we are going to see simplifications. First question. Here it is clearly visible that it is 30 plus 3 into 30 minus 3. So it looks like a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square, which is 30 square, which will be 900, minus 3 square, which will be 9. So we get 891. This is the answer for this one. And here minus 12.5%, which is nothing but 1 by 8 into 480. This will be 60 plus 133.33% means 100% plus 100% plus 33.33%. 100% of 96 will be 96, and 33% means 33.33% means 1 by 3 of 96. 3 times and 2 times plus x square equals to 1008. So we have 891 minus 60, which will be 831. 831 plus 96 plus 32, which will be 9, and 15, 9, 959. This whole 959 comes this side with minus. Therefore, x square is equals to 1008 minus 959, which will be 9449. So answer x is equals to 7 is our answer. Option A. Next, second question. 125% of 72. So this is first 100% will be 72, and 25% means 1/4 of 72, which will be 18. So we get 90 from this one, plus here it is 35% of 160. 5 multiple percentage single zero, and 2 multiple 5 7 times, 2 8 times. So we get 56 from this one, plus this is 19 1 times is 19, 19 2 times is 38 39. Okay, we get 399 plus 20% of 35, which will be 7. So equals to x. Totally we have 90 plus 56, which will be 146, plus 399 plus 7. So this will be 16 plus 6, 22, 15, 5. 552 is our answer. Option B. Next, third one. 75% means 3/4 of 120. 430 times we get 90 for this one. 11.11% means 1 by 9 of 81. 9 times. So we have 9. 65% of 20. Nothing but 20% of 65, which will be 13. 15 square 225 plus 24 equals to x square. So totally we have, this will be 99 plus 99 plus 13 plus 225 plus 24, x square equals to 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 3 21, 10 16, 361. So x value will be 19. Next, fourth question. Here it is 12 20 times 5, 11 5 times, 11 65 times, 5 13 times. So we left with 4 2 times and 4 5 times. Therefore we left with x into 5 equals to 13 2 times 26. So x value will be 5 times 25 and 2 times 5.2 is our answer. Option A. Next, fifth question. Here it is simply clear that it is 50 minus 3 and 50 plus 3. It seems like a minus b into a plus b, which means a square minus b square. A square will be 2500 and b square will be minus 9. So we have 2591. 2491 is our answer for this one. Minus, it seems 20 minus 3 plus 20 plus 3. It will be 400 minus 9, which will be 391 for this one. Here 16 into 17 will be 272. It is why we need to learn 1 to 20 tables to find this one faster. Here it is 30 plus 1 into 30 minus 1. So 900 minus 1 will be 899. So totally we have 2491 minus 391, which will be 2100. 2100 plus 272 minus, wait, 232 minus 899. We have 3, and here will be 6 minus 9, 7. So here it will be 2, 22 minus 8, which will be 14. 1473 is our answer, option B. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. First question, 247. We need to get 32. 247 is 19 times. 19 13 times is 247, and we get 32. Here the roots will be positive. Here 132 means 12 11 times, and the roots are in positive. So by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Next, second question. Here 7 into 27, let's take it as a 9 3 and 7. 7 3 times, 21 and 9 are the roots, and the roots are in positive. Here 7 3 times is 10, we get 21 and we get 10, means 7 and 3 are the roots. Roots are in positive. So by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Next, third question. First, 36 divided by 3 will be 12. We need to get 12 for multiplication, and it is 8, means 6 2 times. 6 root 3, 2 root 3, and the roots are in positive. Here 18 divided by 3, which will be 6. We need to get 5. Okay, 3 2 times will be 6, and sum of these two will be 5. So into root 3 into root 3, both the roots are in positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that 3 root 3 comes in between these two numbers. So x greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. No relation between these two. Next, fourth one, 19 6 times, and we need to get 41 by adding. 19 2 times will be 38, and we left with 3. Okay, these are the roots, and the roots are in positive. Here it is 17 15 times. Let's take 17 3 times will be 51, and we left with 5, and the roots are in positive. Now to make the bases equal, we multiply this with 17, this with 19. So we have 17 3 times will be 51, 17 8 times will be 136, 17 3 times will be 51 plus 13 will be 646. So here 19 5 times will be 95, 19 1 times is 19, 19 5 times 95, 96, 969. By comparing these two, 646 will comes in between these two numbers. So here x is greater than y and x lesser than y comes. So no relation can be established between these two equations. Fifth one. Here is a minus at the end. Here is also minus at the end. So the roots will be positive and negative. Here also the roots will be positive and negative. X greater than y and x lesser than comes here. So no relation can be established between these two equations. Now we are going to see wrong number series. Here this is seems like into 2 times, and here it is into 4 times, into 2 times and into 4 times, so it must be into 2.5 times, it must be into 3 times, into 3.5 times, into 3 times 360 means it is not 125, it is 120. 120 into 3 times will be 360. 48 2 times will be 96, and half of 48 will be 24, which will be 120. So 125 is our wrong number. Next, second question. Here let's see the difference. Here the difference is 19, here the difference will be 57, here the difference is 101, here the difference is 721, here the difference is 171. Okay, these numbers are familiar as 19 table. 19 3 1 time, 19 3 times, 19 9 times, so it must be into 5 times and it must be into 7 times. 19 5 times will be 95, not 101. 19 7 times is 133, not 127, so our wrong number will be 240. Okay, next question. Here 73 and 25, 98. Sum of these two numbers is this one. Okay, next let's do sum of these two numbers. Will be not this one, it will be 123, 198 plus 123. Let's sum of these two will be 8 plus 3 1, 10 plus 12 22. Okay, so our wrong number will be this one. Let's see further. 123 plus 221, which will be 344. So our wrong number will be 120. Next question. Here it is 42 and 93, and going slightly varying, so we'll go with references. Here the reference is 51, here the reference is 50, here the difference is 52, here the difference is 45, here the difference is 47. 51 15, it must be 49, it must be 48, and it is 47. So these two numbers are wrong, and this is a wrong number. Next question, fifth one. These numbers are slightly varying, so we'll go with references. Here the difference is plus 25, here the difference is minus 36, here the difference is plus 48, here the difference is minus 63, here the difference is plus 81. This is 9 square, 5 square, 6 square, so it must be 7 square and it must be 8 square. These two numbers are wrong, so this is our wrong number. Now we are going to see missing number series. These numbers are slightly varying, so we'll go with the differences. Here the difference is 101, here the difference is 123, here the difference is 741, here the difference is 102. Okay, these numbers are familiar as this is 10 square plus 1, this is 11 square plus 2, 12 square plus 3, 13 square, wait a second, it is 173. The difference between these two is 173. 173 means it is 13 square plus 1. No, 13 square plus 4. So the next one must be 14 square plus 5. 14 square will be 196. 196 plus 5, 201. Here the 201 comes here. 592 plus 201, which will be 793. 793 is our answer, option B. Next, second question. Here it is nothing but 3 times, 44 and 132. These two numbers are familiar. It is into 3 times. and 132 becomes 66 means divided by 2. So let's take into 3 divided by 2. This is into 3. So 66 into 3, 6 3 times 18, 9 11 times will be sum of these two in between them. 198 is our answer, option A. Next one. Here these numbers are slightly varying, so we'll go with references. Here the difference will be 17. Here the difference is 8 and 68. Here the difference is 5 and 8. These are 17 table, so it must be 34 and it must be 51. So 532 minus 34 will be 498. 498 is our answer, option C. Next, fourth question. Here this seems into 2 times. This seems 2 becomes 6. So it is into 3 times. Here it is 7 becomes 8 means into 4 times. So the next one must be into 5 times. So 570 divided by 5 will be this one. 5 1 times 5. 5 1 times 5 and 4 times 20. So answer will be 114, option C. Next question. 787 and these numbers are slightly varying, so we go with the differences. Here the difference is 57. Here the difference is 9 and 5, 59. Here the difference is 1 and 6. Let's see the double differences. Here the difference is 2. Here the difference is 2. The difference must be 63. 964 plus 63, which will be 1027. Next, 265. 1027 plus 65 will be 1092. So our answer will be 1027. Option C is our answer. We are going to see inequalities. First question. The conclusion, first one. The flow from E to T. From E we can go to G and C. From C we can reach to T. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion. The flow from Z to V. Here it is Z. From Z we can reach to C. From C we cannot able to reach to V. So second conclusion will be false. So first conclusion will be true and second conclusion will be false for the first question. Let's see second question. Conclusion. The flow from A to C. Here it is A. From A we can reach to L, M, E. From E we can reach to C. So first conclusion will be true. The flow from W to T. Here it is W. From W we can reach to E. From E we can reach to T. So second conclusion is also true. Next, third question. The flow from D to V. Here it is D. From D we can reach to V and Q. Nothing than the other. So first case will be false. Second one. The flow from J to B. From J we can reach to O. From O we can reach to B. Second one will be true. Let's see fourth one. The flow from Q to K. From Q we can reach to R. Okay. From R we cannot able to move any other side. So first conclusion will be false. K equals to Q. K and Q is not equal. So fails. Now we are going to see fifth question. The flow from A to Z. Here from A we can reach to C. From C we can reach to Z. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion. The flow from H to N. From H we can reach to C. From C we can reach up to S but not to N. So second conclusion will be false. Now we are going to see syllogisms. First question: all T are U. All T are U. Some U are G. All G are Z. No Z is pen. Let's see conclusions. No pen is U. We'll check. Some pen can be U. Some pen can be U. We can draw a possible diagram. So some is possible means no is fails. No case fails. Let's see second conclusion. All G can be T. All G placed inside T, as it is possible. True. Some U are pen. Some U are pen. This is direct conclusion, and here U and pen doesn't has any relationship between them. So third conclusion will be false. Let's see second question. Some fan are light. Wait a second. Second question. Some fan are light. Some lights are a lamp. Only a few lamp are bulb. All bulb are switch. So let's see conclusions. Some bulb are definitely not lamp. Not means we'll check all bulbs can be lamp. All bulbs inside lamp. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. All case possible means some not case will be false. Second conclusion. Some switch are not light is a possibility. First we leave this possibility side. Some not switch and light. We'll check all switch are light possible. All switch inside light, as it is possible. All case possible, and it is saying that all case possible. So some not case fails. Some not case fails, but it is saying that possibility. He says that false can be true. So our conclusion will be true. Next, no fan being bulb is a possibility. First leave possibility side. No fan being bulb. We can place some fan being bulb is possible. Some case possible means all case. Some case possible means no case fails. No case fails, but it is saying possibility. So third conclusion will be true. Okay. If no fan being bulb is false and saying possibility, then our conclusion will be true. Here also some switches are not lights. It becomes false. So and saying possibility. So our conclusion will becomes possible. True. Next, third question. Third question. All F1 are F8. Some F8 are F2. Only F2, only a few F2 are F3. Only a few F3 are F4. Let's see conclusions. Some F2 or F1 is a possibility. F2 and F1 possibility, as it is possible. First one is true. Second conclusion. Some F8 are not F4. We check all F8 can be F4. F8, all F8 can be placed inside F4, as it is possible. All case possible means some not case fails. Third conclusion. No F4 is F8. We take some F4 can be F8. Some part of F4 can be possible to share with F8, as it is possible. Some case possible means no case fails. So only one is true. Now we are going to see question number 4. No orange is kiwi. Some kiwi are mango. Only a few mango are apple. Some apple are not papaya. Let's see conclusions. Some kiwi being apple is a possibility. Some part of kiwi can share with apple is possible. Yes, it is possible. So our conclusion 1 will be true. Second conclusion, all mango are oranges. All mango are oranges. It is direct conclusion and there is no direct relation between mango and oranges in our basic Venn diagram, so this case fails. Third one, some mango are not oranges. Not, so we check all mangoes can be oranges. All mangoes can be placed inside oranges. It is not possible. All case fails means some not case will be true. Okay, let's see fifth question. Now fifth question, all dog is cat. Some cat are ant. No ant is pig. Let's, some pig is not rat. Let's see conclusions. All cat can be pig. All cat inside pig, is it possible? No, it is not possible. So first conclusion will be false. Second one, some rat are not ant. Not, we check all rat can be placed inside ant. All rat can be placed inside ant. It is possible. So all case possible means some not case will be false. Third one, no dog is pig. We check some dog can be pig. Some dog can able to share with pig. It is true. Some case possible means no case fails. None of these. None of these conclusions will follow. Now we are going to solve a previous year RRB clerk reasoning puzzle. First one. First we'll check the question. 7 people are sitting in a linear row facing south. Even though it is facing south or north, we'll take the direction as north only. Only one person sits between Nia and the sky. So first 7 persons means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. One person sit between Nia and the sky. So Nia and the sky, only one person between them. Next, Eva is an immediate neighbor of Luna. Eva and Luna are immediate neighbors. Next one, Rose sits to the left of Joy. Left of Joy, Rose sits, but does not sit at the extreme end of the row, but represents the Rose. So Rose does not sit at the end. Okay. Next one, Nia sits third to the right of Aya. Aya right side third one will be Nia. Okay. Next, Aya where dash, none of them sits at the extreme ends. So Nia and Aya does not sit at the extreme ends. Nia and Aya does not sit at the extreme ends. Means here also Nia and Aya does not sit. Okay, let's see final one. Luna sits third to the left of Sky. Sky left third one is Luna. Okay, now let's see. Let's start with Aya here. Let's take Aya place is here. Then 1, 2. This is place for Nia. Or else we can place Aya here. 1, 2. Nia place is here. Okay. Now this is completed. Next, Nia and Sky has only one person between them. So it is the place for Sky in this one. In this case, we can place Sky here or here. Let's take a Sky here. Next, this one is completed. Sky 1, 2, third to the left is Luna. So 1, 2, this is place for Luna. In this case, 1, 2, this is third one, which is the place for Luna. If we place sky here, there is no place for Luna, so this is the place for sky. Okay, this is also completed. Luna and Eva are immediate persons. This is Luna, so this is Eva. This is Luna means this is Eva. Next, we left with this one. Joy, left side is Rose. If we place Joy here, this is the place for Rose, which does not sit in this place. In this case, if it is Joy, this is the place for Rose. So our puzzle solution will be this one. Okay. Now let's see the questions. First question. As many people sit to the right of Rose as to the left of Rose to left of Aya. So our answer will be the one who sits immediate left of Aya. No, there is no Aya here. The one who sits immediate left of Sky. So we got Aya. So our answer will be option E for the first one. Okay. Next, second question. Who among the following persons sits between Nia and Eva? This is Nia and this is Eva. The options given are Rose, Sky, and Joy. So Rose and Sky can be seated in between Nia and Eva, but not Joy. So answer will be 1 and 2. Next, third one. Who among the following persons, pair of peoples, are immediate neighbors? Nia and Sky. No. Sky and Eva. Sky and Eva. No. Sky and Joy. This is Sky and this is Joy. No. Rose and Sky. Rose and Sky are immediate neighbors. So option D is our answer. Next one. Fifth question. Fourth question. Who sits third to the left of Nia? 1, 2, third one. Aya. Answer will be option E. Next. Fifth one. What is the position of Rose with respect to Eva? This is Eva. 1, 2, third to the right. Third to the right is our answer. Option A. Thanks for watching.